Get ready with me for a solo date to go see Bob Marley's One Love.
So, I'm gonna do a very, very loose halo. I don't want it to be too tight. Now I'm just gonna take a hair tie and put my hair in a low ponytail. Then I'm gonna take my hairnet and kind of put my loose pony into a bun. I think I want a couple of curls, so I'm gonna use a perm rod, and I'm gonna use Mayel's Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Silk Texture Mousse. So we're gonna be using this to set our curls. And while those are setting, I'm gonna go in with Mayel's Pomegranate and Honey Edge Gel. We're ready for our solo date. If you guys want to pick up the products that I used today, they are available at myelorganics.com.